The Rapid Panel products are rack-mountable fiber distribution panels that provide exceptional value. Designed for easy installation and quick deployment, the Rapid Panels incorporate CommScope's exclusive Rapid Reel technology. Start the installation by carefully unpacking the Rapid Panel from the carton. A bag containing the mounting hardware, test results, and installation manual is included. The Rapid Panel may be mounted in a 19 or 23-inch rack and recessed 2, 4, or 5 inches. The panel is configured from the factory to mount in a 23-inch rack with a 5-inch recess. Remove and reconfigure the brackets if another mounting option is required. Secure the Rapid Panel to the equipment rack using the 4 1224 screws and star washers included. Provide 3 inches of clearance at the rear of the panel to allow the spool to turn freely when the microcable is unwound. Open the Rapid Panel front cover to provide extra clearance for the spool. Unlock the spool by pulling the center knob while pushing back on the bulkhead until it clicks into place. Next, remove the shipping tape from the microcable on the rear side. If it is preferable to route the microcable from the front, rotate the spool until the bulkhead adapter panel is facing toward the right side of the panel. Feed the MPO connectors into the space on the left side of the panel. From the front, pull the MPO connectors through to the front of the panel. Depending on the routing requirements, place the microcable in either the left or right retainer. Slowly and carefully pull the microcable out of the spool and route it to the selected optical interface equipment. Using a screwdriver or coin, remove the pulling eye from each MPO connector. Adjust the microcable so any excess slack is accumulated at the panel. Next, rotate the spool so the bulkhead adapter panel is at the front. Reinstall the spool lock at the front of the panel to lock the internal spool into place. Install the front port designation plate in the space below the bulkhead adapter panel. If necessary, the bulkhead adapter panel may be pulled forward to access the rear connectors. This should only be done following the initial installation of the panel and only if testing indicates a connector may require cleaning. When installation is complete, the Rapid Panel is ready for use. Patch cords may be quickly and easily connected to the bulkhead adapter panel. Before making a connection, remove the dust caps from the patch cord connector and the adapter. Clean the patch cord connector and then insert it into the adapter. Route the patch cord through either the left or right cable retainer. Close the front cover when complete. Simple to assemble and quick to install, the Rapid Panel products are designed to minimize installation time to ensure smooth deployment.